I hope that you know about SWOT, right? In your last year classes, you did SWOT analysis. You did SWOT analysis on yourself. Individual SWOT you did. Am I right? In your HOD's class, you did that individual SWOT. What do you mean by SWOT analysis? Why we have to do the SWOT analysis? To know the strength. Every individual, we have to do SWOT analysis now and then, right? So for what purpose we have to do this? What do you mean by SWOT? Yes means strength, weakness, opportunity and threats, right? So by analyzing these things, what we have to do? Suppose you have analyzed that this is my weakness. What we have to do? How we have to overcome that weakness? If you are not able to overcome that weakness means how to convert that weakness into strength. That you have to think of, right? This is my weakness and I am not able to overcome it. But I have to choose the right career which gives me that weakness as my strength. Suppose you are very much talkative and every staff members, they are scolding you that you are argumentative or you are talkative, right? But you are thinking that it is your weakness. But it is your strength. If you are choosing a job which gives you more talkativeness, if you are choosing marketing as your career, right? It needs argumentative nature, it needs talkative, right? So you can choose your job or you can choose your career which suits you. This is my weakness, but this weakness can be converted into strength when I am choosing this particular career, right? So you have to think about that. So someone get up and tell me what is your strength, what might be the strength. Usually when you are thinking about your strength means everyone you are having more strength, right, rather than weakness. Many people, what few people will do means weakness அப்படியே லிஸ்ட் வந்துட்டே இருக்கு. But strength னு எழுதுனா ஒரு ரெண்டுக்கு முன்னாடி நிறைய வரும். What is our strength அப்படின்னு யோசிச்சா we can't get points for strength but we can get many points for our weakness. In weakness, there is no weakness, right? Even if we are playing a video game, ஒரு வீடியோ கேம் ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா ப்ளே பண்ண முடியுது அப்படினா கூட that is your strength. Speed is your strength, right? இப்போ வந்து ஒரு டேட்டா என்ட்ரி ஆபரேட்டர் நீ போடினா உனக்கு அந்த ஸ்பீட் ரொம்ப தேவையா இருக்கும். That is your strength, right? If you are going in a software field that needs speed, if you are able to play that video game very fastly means that is the strength, right? So here you have to think about how best I am in that particular work. That you have to think, what is my positive traits? You will be having many positive traits. I am very much creative, I am very much imaginative, I always imagine things. You will be thinking that it is your weakness. No, it is the strength. If you are going in that artistic media, even software industries, they need creative people to design many things, right? So creativeness is your strength. Suppose you are having multiple resources, there are so many people are there to help you out. You are having many resources means that is your strength. You have achieved many things. It might be in sports or in academic, in some other criteria. So you achieve means that is your achievement. How much values you are giving to certain things. Some people they will be giving very much value to the discipline. Some other people they will be giving value to the family. Some other people they will be giving value to the friends. What? That is your strength. I am giving value to my academics. I am giving value to the society. I am giving value to the charitable trust and all. I am giving value to government. Whatever government is saying, blindly I follow the governmental policies and regulations. I won't violate government rules. That is your strength, right? What values you are giving. And others' opinion about you. Sometimes we don't know about our strength. நிறைய நேரம் வந்து நம்மளுடைய strength அதுன்றது நமக்கே தெரியாது. But others, they will very easily they will identify your strength. So talk with others. Ask them to analyze your strength. Get to know about your strength from others' opinion, right? goodwill, very good brand image. That particular company is having very good brand image. That is the strength. They are having good customers' opinion. They are very good in their services. That is that strength, right? What are the others? I have located my factory in a very main area. That is the strength, right? Then I am having good customers and my customers are very much loyal to me. Very loyal customers. That is my strength. Quality wise, I am very good. No one can compete with me in my quality. No one can compete with me in my product features. I am having my product which gives me very attractive features in it. My strength, right? I am having very good resources. It might be the manpower or money, whatever the thing. Natural resources I am having in my location, whatever the thing. If you are rich in resources, means that is also the strength of the company, right? These are the strengths you have. Okay, coming to the weaknesses. Think about your weakness and tell me. Usually, what is the individual's weakness or student's weakness? Fear, right? Fear is your weakness. Second one is where in a laziness. In a hurry, what am I saying? I am good in things, but I am very lazy to write the answers in the answer. Am I right? Sometimes when I am asking the students, you are very good in class test and all, but when you are writing your semester exam, why you are not attending all the courses? Then we tell you. Because 60 I started to sleep. Because of laziness, carelessness, right? Sometimes carelessness is also your weakness, right? Fear, carelessness, then laziness, then communication சொல்லுவீங்க. But communication is not a weakness. எல்லாருமே we are good in Tamil. Chance கிடைச்சா எல்லாரும் நல்லா பேசுவோம். Am I right? So communication sometimes I am not able to express my feelings. நான் வந்து express பண்ணாலே அது தப்பா தான் உங்களுக்கு போகும். That is your weakness. That you can convert it to this, right? So you have to think about the weakness as an individual, but as a company, what are all the weaknesses of the company means? Cost. Time management. If the company is very poor in time management, that is the weakness. Sometimes leadership. That is the weakness of the company, right? They are good in everything, but leader is not a right person. He is not an efficient person to guide the subordinates. Means that is also the weakness of the company, right? Leadership. Sometimes everything is good, but employees are not supporting employees. I doesn't have the supportive employees. Whatever strategies I am using, I am not getting a support from my employees. That is the weakness of me. Sometimes they will be good in everything, but media support is not at all there to my company. Media people, they are not supporting me. That is the weakness, right? So these are the weaknesses. You can find any number of weaknesses. Just an example, right? What do you mean by opportunities? Okay, உங்களுக்கு as a student, MBA first year, what will be the opportunity for you? Internship. You will be getting internship very easily. Okay. Opportunities are available to get internship. Then campus interview. You will be waiting for the campus interview. Even nowadays, they will be going for many people. They have joined in internship and in campus they got selected. Good. Campus interview is your opportunity. You can get into any field. Am I right? MBA students, you can get into any field. In the field, you cannot even go down. That is the opportunity, right? Coming to the company's point of view, technology is the opportunity, right? If I am going to introduce new technology, there are multiple technologies, new technologies are coming out, and I can use the technology in the right way, means I can grow it, right? Technology is the opportunity. Economical condition of the country. Suppose if it is not in inflation stage and country's economy is in growing stage, means that would be the opportunity. Next one is customers. If the customers are there, population is high and many customers, they are willing to spend more money on my product. That is the opportunity, right? So these are the opportunities. What would be the threat? Again, technology sometimes will become the threat. ஃபியூச்சர் த்ரெட் என்னவா இருக்க முடியும்? Other engineering students are your threat. Am I right? M.Com graduates are your threat. Any other threat? There is no skill development within you. That is your threat. I am not developing myself. In skill, I am lacking some skills. That is the threat, right? And many people, they are from well-known institutions, even IIT, IIM people, they are coming and competing with me.